Welcome, dear viewers, to a breathtaking odyssey across the most beautiful places in America. Today, we set forth on a journey that promises to awaken your sense of wonder and ignite your curiosity about the natural world. From the moment our adventure begins, you'll be transported to realms where nature's artistry is on full display, and every horizon holds a new story waiting to be discovered. Today, I invite you to join me as we traverse landscapes both wild and wondrous, from the sunlit canyons of the West to the emerald forests of the Pacific. We'll wander through misty Appalachian mornings, gaze across golden prairies that seem to stretch forever, and pause beside tranquil lakes that mirror the fiery colors of autumn. Each region offers its own unique magic, a tapestry woven from centuries of natural history and breathtaking beauty. Each destination is a testament to the grandeur and diversity of this vast land, and together we will witness scenes that have inspired generations. From the delicate bloom of wildflowers in high mountain meadows to the dramatic sweep of thunderclouds over the plains, America's landscapes are as varied as they are awe-inspiring. These are places where legends were born, where artists found their muse, and where countless travelers have stood in silent admiration. This journey unfolds in stunning 4K resolution, ensuring every detail: the shimmer of a distant waterfall, the vibrant hues of a desert sunrise, the delicate dance of wildlife, is captured in all its glory. You'll see the crystalline clarity of rivers as they wind through ancient valleys, the gentle movement of deer at dawn, and the majestic flight of eagles soaring above snow-capped peaks. Every frame is designed to immerse you in the moment, revealing the hidden wonders that make each place unforgettable. Let your senses be enveloped by the immersive beauty that only such clarity can provide, as if you are truly there, breathing in the crisp mountain air or feeling the spray of ocean waves upon your skin. Imagine the cool touch of mist on your face at sunrise, the scent of pine needles beneath your feet, and the soothing sound of waves breaking along a rugged coastline. Through this lens, every moment becomes vivid, every detail a memory in the making. As we explore these 100 remarkable places, I encourage you to imagine yourself standing amidst these wonders. Picture sharing laughter with loved ones beneath towering peaks, or finding quiet reflection as you gaze out over a vast, untouched wilderness. Whether you travel with companions or seek solitude, these landscapes offer moments of connection, inspiration, and peace. Picture the wind on your face at the rim of a canyon, the warmth of sunlight filtering through ancient trees, or the thrill of discovery as you gaze upon vistas untouched by time. Feel your heart race as you stand at the edge of a cliff, your spirit soaring with the eagles above. These are the moments that remind us of our place in the world and the endless possibilities that await just beyond the next bend in the trail. Let your spirit be moved and your curiosity awakened as we embark on this extraordinary adventure together. With every step, we'll uncover new wonders, forge unforgettable memories, and celebrate the boundless beauty that defines America. So, take a deep breath, open your heart to adventure, and let's begin this majestic journey, one breathtaking moment at a time. Stand at the canyon's edge, vastness and wonder stretch before you. Geysers erupt, bison roam, and hot springs paint the Earth's canvas. Granite cliffs rise, waterfalls thunder, adventure calls from every corner. Iconic buttes tower above the desert, and shadows are just dancing at sunset. Water thunders down, mist rises, and rainbows shimmer in the spray. It's kind of breathtaking. Rolling hills are cloaked in a gentle, drifting fog. Wildflowers bloom quietly along the slopes, while ancient forests whisper secrets to the wind, as if sharing stories from centuries past. The air feels thick with mystery and hidden wonders. Sunbeams pierce narrow walls, and the sandstone curves, just glow with this fiery color. Jagged peaks, turquoise lakes, and glaciers, well, they carve the wild landscape. Granite cliffs meet the Atlantic, and forests offer a tranquil refuge. Turquoise waters, swaying palms, and endless horizons really beckon explorers. Lush rainforests, waterfalls, and dramatic coastlines inspire dreams of adventure. Thank you, dear friends, for joining me on this unforgettable journey across America's most stunning places. It's been a privilege to share these breathtaking sights and hidden gems with you, and I hope you felt the same sense of awe and excitement that I have while exploring these incredible destinations. Together, we have witnessed the majesty of towering mountains, the serenity of ancient forests, and the endless possibilities that come with every winding trail and open road. We felt the power of rivers carving their way through wild landscapes and watched as sunlight danced across crystal-clear waters, all brought to life in breathtaking 4K detail that makes you feel like you're right there with us. I hope these scenes have awakened your sense of wonder and ignited a longing to, explore the world around you. Maybe you've discovered a new place to add to your bucket list, or simply found a moment of peace in the beauty of nature. If you found inspiration in these landscapes, I warmly invite you to subscribe to this channel. By joining our community, you'll never miss an adventure, and you'll be the first to see new journeys as we continue to explore together. Your support helps us continue creating ad-friendly, uplifting travel content that celebrates the beauty of our planet and the spirit of adventure within us all. Every like, comment, and share encourages us to keep seeking out new stories and sharing them with you. Every subscription is a step toward more journeys, more stories, and more opportunities to connect with fellow explorers from around the world. Together we can inspire each other to see the world with fresh eyes, and of course, more shared moments of awe, those magical times when nature takes your breath away and reminds you how wonderful our world truly is. As you go forth, remember that beauty surrounds us, sometimes in distant lands that require a long journey, and sometimes in the quiet corners of our own neighborhoods. Sometimes, the most memorable adventures are waiting just beyond our doorstep, in the places we pass by every day. Keep dreaming of new adventures, keep your curiosity alive, and let your imagination lead you to new horizons. Whether you're planning a big trip or simply exploring your local park, there's always something new to discover. Never stop exploring the wonders that await, both near and far. The world is full of surprises, and every day brings a chance to experience something extraordinary. Until our paths cross again, may you find joy in every journey, courage in every step, and inspiration in every sunrise. Keep exploring, and I'll see you on the next adventure.